Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 2110. Number of smooth descent periods of a stock. So let's read the question. So basically, a smooth descent period of the stock consists of one or more contiguous days such that the price on each day is lower than the price on the preceding day by exactly 1. So this means if we have a number 3, for the next day it will be 2, and after that it will be 1. So if it is like that, so we're gonna count it as a smooth descent period. So even there's only one number, we still count it as 1. So for this example, there are 7 in total. So for 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. So in total, it is 7. So for such a problem, basically we are going to list the consecutive numbers into groups. So the first group 3, 2, 1, the second group is 4. So how do we list it into groups? So it's a template Leetcode problem. So I call it list groups problem. Now let me write the template for solving the problem. So for the result, it will be a counter. It will be started from 0, and I will be the first index. It will be index 0, and n will be the length of the prices. So 0, 0, and length of the prices. Now I'm going to use the to while loop. So for I less than n, the start will be equal to I, and while I less than n minus 1, and here is the condition we need to check, because basically the template is the same. Only difference is from this line of code. For my current nums I, minus 1 equals to nums I plus 1. So this means if 3 minus 1 equals to this number 2, it means they are consecutive, and the difference is exactly by 1. So we're gonna count it as true. So I should be shifted by 1. After that, I'm going to use this C as the length of my string. For example, 3, 2, and 1, the C will be equal to 3. And it will be I minus start plus 1. And up to here, when we come across a 3, 2, 1, we can use the mathematics formula. It's a high school mathematics formula. We're gonna count it by 6. Yeah. So because there are 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. So we can use the mathematical formula to solve it. Yeah, now let me just write the code. So the result should be plus equal to C times C plus 1 divided by 2. After that, I'm going to update the pointer I. Then I just need to return the result. Now let me run it to check if it really works. Oh, I did some typos because basically it's a template problem. Yeah, so for the variables, I need to check it. Now let me check again. Here should be double equal. Now let me run again to check if it really works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. And by the way, the time complexity is just ON. Yeah, because this start is only a record. Basically, we just loop through I from 0 to n minus 1. As you can see, it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more similar Leetcode problems like this. See you next time.